So flat lay photography is really popular at the moment, and the great thing is it doesn't have to be that difficult. So I'm going to share some tips with you how you can get way better flat lays even by using your phone in just a couple of seconds. And the only thing extra that you need is white foam board. Let's go.
So the first thing we want to do is find our light source. I'm using the sitting room window, which lets in a lot of natural light. You can use artificial lights, but hey, it's Ireland. Let's use the sun when we can actually get it. Next, we want to set up the composition. I'm using my girlfriend's stationery because it's pretty, but you do you. Now for the next part, we want to set up our white foam board around our composition. This is going to bounce light back so we don't have any really dark shadows on one side of our picture. Once that's all set up to go, it is time to finally get our camera out. What we want to do is raise our aperture. I'm shooting about f5.6 here. Then we want to make sure we're on manual focus to really nail that sharpness. We want to make sure we are focusing to the back of the image. This means focusing on the object that is furthest away from the camera, so the shallowest object of our composition. This makes sure the whole composition is in focus. Then all we got to do is, and there we have it, 4 tips to get your flat lays looking amazing.